How to turn on Pro Mode on Facebook. First, open Facebook. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom. Tap on the three dots that you can see at top. You can find various profile settings. Scroll down. Right over here you can see the option for turn on Pro Mode. Tap on it. Tap on the option update your profile. Follow through the prompts in order to turn on the Pro Mode. Choose your default audience. Tap on the option public if you want to make your account public. Tap on the option next. You can review the selection over here. You can review the audience settings. You can see various settings. Tap on the specific settings that you want to review or change. After that you can do so. Here I'm just going to confirm it. For that, tap on the option confirm. Choose the category over here. You can see the popular categories. Tap on one category. Tap on the option next. Tap on the option go to your dashboard. Now you can access your dashboard. The Pro Mode has been turned on. You can enjoy the Pro Mode features like insights, content, engagement, etc. Like this, you'll be able to turn on Pro Mode. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.